Sure, let's have some fun. Here's a modified version of the Cleveland Show theme song, personalized for you. My name is Alice, and this is our show. I'm a teacher, and I'm ready to go, telling you things in a simple way. So listen up now, 'cause here's what I say. I'm Alice, Alice, teaching with a smile, that's my style. I'm Alice, Alice, making learning fun all the while. So come on in, let's start the class. Learning new things you're gonna surpass. Ask me your questions, I'll give you the lowdown. Together we'll learn and let knowledge crown. I'm Alice, Alice, teaching with a smile, that's my style. I'm Alice, Alice, making learning fun all the while. Hope that brought a smile to your face. Now, do you have any educational questions?